Hi there, welcome back. It's Mr. Angels Free again. You see what I'm working on? Yes, I'm working on my box right now. But don't worry, we're not going to talk about box right now. It's now in this video. We're talking in the future videos. Right now we're going to talk about something very important. That's the reason why he came back here. Alright, basically what we did, we put on the window, the sunshine hit the window, heat it out the can, the cold air gets in to the bottom of the can, it's coming out from the top of the can. We put a temperature sensor on the top of the can and we measure the temperature during the whole day. And we did it 2 cans at a time. Why 2 cans at a time? Because this is all I can measure at one time. And my device only measures 2 temperatures, so we did 2 cans at a time. So we basically took can number 1 and compared to number 2, to number 3, to number 4, and so forth. So we did to all the 9 cans, we did that. And the result, we have it. Follow me, I'll show you in the computer how it looks like the result. Okay, let's compare number 1 against number 2. Alright, we do the measure on the whole day and we compare number 1 against number 2. You can see it here, this is number 1 is a spiral open and number 2 is the wide open type of can. And basically we plotted it from 8 in the morning all the way to 6 o'clock. You can see it was a very cloudy day, and this part over here you can see that this is very early in the morning all the way to 10 a.m. in the morning. One can, the can number 1 has more sun than can number 2, so we're gonna forget about this part. This part is not really worth it because this depends how the temperature, how the sun heat this area. So we're gonna concentrate something around 10 in the morning all the way to 4 in the afternoon. And how you can see here, the spiral, which is the red one, is always on top of the green one. So basically what we did here to have a number, we took from 10 a.m. all the way to 4 p.m. we calculate the different temperature between one and the other one, and we divide for the amount of records and basically give you this result, which is 1.07. So 1.07 means that what this means as an average is can number 1 spiral open would be 1.07 degrees higher than number 2 wide open. This is what this means. So we have the temperature here. You can see it went all the way to 90 degrees, and on certain points got around noon, it got around 90 degrees. So that's basically what it is. Let's take a look at another set. Alright, we have here number 1 spiral open versus number 3 straight open. And now the spiral is going ahead. It's always stayed ahead of the number 3 straight open. You see that it's always on top. It's always high. The highest temperature is always registered by the spiral number 1 can set. So we did the calculation again from around 10 in the morning all the way to 4 in the afternoon. We calculate the average difference of temperature between these 2 sets of cans, and we have the result are the spiral, the number 1 spiral open is 1.98 degrees higher than number 3 straight open. Okay, as an average, number 1 is 1.98 degrees higher than number 3. Alright, this is all the result for number 1 spiral open versus number 3 straight open. Let's look at something else. Right? Let's look at a downspout. Oh, this is a great one. Again, the same problem at the beginning. For the first until 10 a.m. we have this. We have mentioned that we rejected. We're not going to focus on this because it's the window angle is not right. And from 10 a.m. all the way to 4 p.m. we can see the spiral number 1 is up there in very highest temperature, all the way to almost 90 degrees. And so the down span never reached the spiral open. So as an average, number 1 spiral open is 13.30 degrees higher than number 4 down span. These are the results for the down span versus spiral. Alright, so now let's look at some another set of data. This one is a spiral number 1 versus number 5 open with fin. As you can see here, we have the same situation at the beginning. We're rejecting this measure, and we start from almost 10 o'clock in the morning all the way to 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and the temperature highest is almost around 90 degrees. You can see it. Now the red one is the spiral open. You can see it's all the way up there. Actually, this is a very sunshine day, very nice day. There was sunshine all the time, and the spiral, the highest temperature is registered by the spiral, while the number 5 open with fin, it registered less temperature. The final result of this showed that as an average, number 1 spiral open is 6.40 degrees higher than number 5 open with fin. And this is our results of number 1 spiral open versus number 5 open with fin. Let's take a look at something else now. Alright, we have here number 1 spiral open versus number 6 full material. This was a very cloudy day, so you can see up and down the temperature, but for the most, actually I think it's every single time the spiral open, which is the red line, is always higher than the full material. And we again calculate the average. As an average, number 1 spiral open is 2.11 degrees higher than number 6 full material. And this is the results between this number 1 spiral open and number 6 full material. Alright, let's take a look at something else. This is number 1 spiral open versus number 7 knife open. How you can see, the spiral, which is the red one, is always on the top, and the knife open is the blue one, is on the bottom. So we calculate the average again, and we can see that number 1 spiral open is 4.91 degrees higher than number 7 knife open. So as an average, spiral open number 1 has 4.91 degrees higher than number 7 knife open. And this is the result of number 1 spiral open versus number 7 knife open.